Today I am going to make a video on how to make a voice assistant using Python, just like Siri, Alexa and Google Assistant. So if you did not saw the yesterday's video in which I converted text to handwriting, you can go and see this. I will give the link in the description. So come on, let's start the today's video. For this you will need a module called Python text to speech converter, which is named as pyttsx3. So go to terminal and type pip install pyttsx3, means Python text to speech converter version 3. So I have already installed, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. So import it. This is the major step. You need to import the module so that you can use it in this project. After importing, you define an engine called engine is equal to pyttsx3. So your import is been used, and you need to select Sapify, which is the speak engine. It will speak whatever the text you need to speak from it. So you need to define voices is equal to engine.get property. We need to get the property from the engine, so we need to get the property of voices. So we will get the property. So now we need to set the property. So engine.set property. So here you need to set voices and I am choosing 0 ID because there are two voices, basically David and Zira. So I need a male voice, I will select 0. If you need a female voice, you can use 1, that is the female voice. So I am making a function called speak. So I will speak audio in this. So we need to define engine.say audio. We need to say speak audio from the engine. So we will start at engine.run and wait. This is very necessary step to run your assistant, otherwise your assistant will struck. So you need to import another module called speech recognition, which recognizes the what you speak and converts it to text so that the computer can understand. So you can type pip install speech recognition. I have already installed it. You can import it as SR because typing speech recognition every time is a headache. Def take command. I will make another one, that is take command. So it will take command from us and convert it. So with SR, that means speech recognition dot microphone as source. We need to get a source to our projects so that it could understand our voice. I will select microphone as a source. It will print listening so that we can understand that is on. That means our Python project is running. Guys, I missed one line here, that is R is equal to, we need to define R is equal to SR dot recognizer, which recognizes our voice. So after this R dot energy threshold, this is the amount or you can call it as a speaking, somewhat speaking type, and pause threshold, that is the time it will stop after you stop speaking. And next R dot adjust for ambient noises, so that we will get sources. From sources we will take only ambient noises. Audio is equal to R dot listen, so that we will listen the audio from source. So we will try a function. So try. So if it will start printing recognizing, that means it is trying to recognize our code on, or it is trying to recognize what we said in query. So that I will define a query that what we said is, it will take that all query is equal to r dot recognize Google. I will selected Google because it is the best. One tip here guys, if you select Google you need active internet connection, otherwise it will not run. You can select many engines are there. If you select Sphinx and all, you will get offline, but if you select Google you need active internet connection. So I am selecting language English.Indian because I am Indian and my English is in Indian. So I will define a function print that you use f string because it will come, it is very helpful, and what we said in query that it will print. And next to it, it will accept exception as error, or it will accept exception. That is, if you told something which computer cannot understand, it will print like this. That means that your previous command is not understood or something like that, or it will also say that say it again something. You need to type whatever you can print. I am just typing, you said your last command is couldn't heard or understood. You can type whatever, but you should type in double quotes. Then you can speak it from it can speak that say that again please. After that return that. You need to type this in double colon, otherwise it will not work, that none. And if after all you return the query. So this is the basic things for a Python, for assistant in Python. Now I will make a wish function so that it could wish me. So this is not in basic, all is the above thing basic. This is just I am doing it for my sake. If you don't want, it is not necessary to wish. Or here you will need another module. You did not install it. Just import date, time and time. It is default installed in your directory. I will define hour, that is integer, and after that datetime dot now. It will take the time, current time. And if you want, you can define the time that in which format you need. I will define as a tt. You can define it in any variable. Time dot straf time, and it will get the current time. You can set the format. I will set it %hour, %minute, and I will need in AM or PM, so I will select %p. This will tell me the current time. After all, if I will define another function that if hour is greater than 0, and that means if hour is greater than 12 o'clock midnight and lesser than 12 o'clock noon, then it will say me good morning. So you can see it will say good morning. You can type it in any case. I am typing just G in uppercase, and you if you need, you can define its TT. I define T time as TT. It will take TT as time, so it will tell us the time. After that, elif, that means other than hour, lesser than 12 and more than noon 12. If it is greater than noon 12 and lesser than evening 6, it will tell me good afternoon. By mistake I typed good morning here. I changed it later. And again it will tell us the time also. And after all else, in is remaining time, that means the time which is not selected, it will say me good evening. and now it will introduce itself. I will name it as Jarvis because I personally love Jarvis, because I love Iron Man movies and I personally love it. You can speak anything if you want. Just you need to do is type whatever you want to speak in double quotes. So say it will speak, I am your personal assistant Jarvis. Then it will speak another word thing, that please tell me how may I help you. It is not necessary. If you want you can add, otherwise it is not. See, this is the basic thing. After all, I will run it. It is running successfully without error. So now let's test it. Now I will try to make it as wish me. So guys, you need to do another thing, that query what it will take in lowercase, so it will not take anything in uppercase or caps lock, caps on. So I will define a basic function that in a query, if hello is said, that it will speak hello, what can I do for you, or what can you want to speak from it, you can make it speak. All you just do is speak function. So I will run it.
Again, please. Good morning, boss. It's 1:45 p.m. I am your personal assistant, Jarvis. Say that again, please. Please tell me how may I help you. Good morning, boss. It's 1:45 p.m.
So guys, you heard that it is continuously looping, so I need to stop it. So I will stop it currently and do something for it.
Good morning, boss. It's 1:46 p.m. I am your personal assistant, Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you. Good morning, boss.
See, it is looping again and again. I will find the solution. All you have to do is you need to define while true.
It's 1:47.
I will stop it. So what you have to do is you need to define it in the right place. I placed it in the wrong manner, that is, it is indentation error. If name is equal to main, I need to do it correctly. I made a mistake there, so it was looping like that again and again, and I missed the brackets here. So it threw me an error. Now it is all set. See, now it is perfectly all right, and it is listening to, and it is recognized that I said hello.
Good morning, boss. It's 1:50 p.m. Good morning, boss. It's 1:50 p.m.
So guys, you can see it is running clearly. Now I got changed it at good afternoon. Earlier I made a mistake that I typed it also as a good morning. So I will define a function that if hello in query, it will tell me hello boss, what can I do for you, or you may define whatever you want. You can speak whatever you want it to speak. So I am making a speak function. You need to point a double colon. So if hello in query, if I said anything hello in query, it will tell me
Good
I am
afternoon,
hello,
boss.
I am your
It's 1:51
assistant
p.m.
Jarvis.
I am your personal
So I will
assistant,
try to
Jarvis.
run it.
Please tell me how may I help you. I am your personal assistant, Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you.
So it started listening. Hello.
Say that again, boss. Say that again, boss.
I tried it late, so it is couldn't take it, so it is running again. So I need to make a loop again, so I will write while true so that it will run again and again. Otherwise it will stop at once and I
Good
need to run
afternoon,
it
boss.
again and
It's
again.
1:51
So
p.m.
for that problem
I
I
am your
defined
personal
while
assistant,
true so
Jarvis.
that it will loop again and
Please
again.
tell me how may I help you.
Good afternoon, boss.
See,
It's 1:51 p.m.
hello. Now I will
I am
say
your personal
hello.
assistant, Jarvis. Please tell me how may I
Say
help
that
you.
again, boss.
Hello.
Hello.
Say that again, boss.
It didn't recognize it.
Say that again, boss.
So guys, something that is
Say that
error.
again, boss.
So I tried to resolve it. That is indentation error. I need to make if, that is a function more,
Good afternoon, boss. It's 1:53
that is
p.m.
indentation error.
I am your
That is
personal
small
assistant,
error
Jarvis.
which made me need
Please
not
tell
to
me
work.
how may I help
So
you.
now it is
Boss.
working
It's 1:53
properly.
p.m.
Hello.
I am your personal assistant, Jarvis.
Hello, boss. I am your
Please
assistant,
tell me
Jarvis.
how may I help you.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, boss. I am your assistant, Jarvis.
Sorry guys for a spelling mistake. This is a little spelling mistake, so it working correctly. So that is it for today guys. I will come and make another part of it, so subscribe to my channel, do like this video.